guys, it's Channing here, and today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. It's a quick hair tutorial at that. But yes, I posted to my Instagram page and I asked you guys if you were interested in seeing a low ponytail that I had that was extremely long, and I asked you guys to give me a thumbs up or whatever. Let me know if you were interested in seeing how it was done, and of course you guys want to see it, so here we are. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to go ahead and jump into this tutorial. But first, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and click that bell twice so that you can be notified anytime that I do post videos. I'll be using my Wetline Extreme Professionals gel during the styling process. I'm going to begin by spraying my hair with some water that I have in my spray bottle. I just really want to get these products moving. All that I have in my hair at the moment is this gel from having, the previous ponytail. So I'm just going to work that water through to get my hair moving again so that I can add my part here on the side. And I'm also going to add some gel there. But you'll see that I won't use a whole lot of the gel during this video because I really don't want to load up on it. That stuff, it does flake. But you can always add water and just kind of activate the gel once again. So yeah, all we're trying to get is a sleek bun. You can put your part wherever you would like. I chose the side, and I'll slick down some baby hairs and we'll be moving on to the next step. So guys, I have 9 pieces of Marley braiding hair. I've already wrapped the twister around it, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's done. I said, I don't mind. So I'm going to take the hair bow just like that. I'm going to take one end, put it through the inside of the other, and pull it. We're going to wrap that around and pull all the hair to the top, and proceed to break the hair up into 3 different sections so that we can begin braiding. For this step, you do not have to use Marley braiding hair. The texture of this hair is not important, so therefore you can use Kankalon, Kanekalon, synthetic, anything, any type of hair. All you need is the length for your ponytail. This braid here determines the length of your ponytail. So therefore, if you would like a very dramatic look, you want your ponytail to be down to the back of your knees, just make sure that the braid that you're doing during this step goes down to the back of your knees, or it's very close. And now we're just going to add a rubber band. I looped it, just tied a rubber band around it so that it wouldn't be hanging. Okay guys, so now that we're to this point and we have our braid, we have that additional length that we needed in order to add our clip-ins. And I chose to use these Modern Fro 20-inch clip-ins for this style because I just felt like it was just a better choice, Clip-ins are so long and they're beautiful at that. I love them. So yeah guys, I'm not trying to force these clip-ins down your throat. You can make your own clip-ins. You can use bundles and glue. I've actually seen where people have covered like the portion of their hair with some type of wrap, and then they'll, begin gluing the bundles around their ponytail and actually do their ponytails that way. I've seen people bobby pin them. Like, there's so many different ways of doing the same exact hair method, okay? So you don't have to purchase these, just letting you know. And if you would like some clip-ins and you just find that these are just way out of your budget, it's possible for you to go to the beauty supply store, just purchase any type of curly hair and sew your own clips to your hair, you know? Maybe that's a video I could do for you guys. Making clip-ins, because I have made some before. So yeah, we're just gonna start. It would all depend on how long you actually would like your ponytail to hang, because like I said, the braid is already past, or really close to past my, you know, butt. So considering these are 20 inches, I may want to go up just a tad bit more on my braid. I went up this far, so therefore only this much will hang below where my braid was originally stopping, which is still long enough. Now when I wrap these around, I don't want to pack them on like I normally would pack my clip-ins, because I don't want it to look like I have a huge bush. I want it to kind of look realistic. I'm not going for an overly dramatic look in regards to volume. You see? You want it to look sleek. Is it not necessarily sleek, but you know what I'm saying. Like this. Yeah, Jhene. She does it right every single time. This is like her go-to style. So yeah, that's what we're going for, guys. I just want it to look very realistic. So I'm just gonna wrap it around, and I'm kind of going, you see the angle that I'm, yeah, like that. Kind of following that angle and just going up the braid. Guys, you'll notice that when I lift it up, I'm checking to make sure that it doesn't look bulky. As I told you guys before, I want to maintain that sleek look like Jhene has. I just wanted it to have a very realistic look, even though it's going to be unrealistically long, if that makes any sense. It doesn't. Guys, I just love hair. I love long hair, big hair. And now I am closing it up, okay? Now I'm just going to take some of that hair from the bottom. Now I'm going to wrap that around the base of my ponytail, just like that. And you wrap it as needed. If you feel like your base is way too thick and you need more hair wrapped around, then definitely do what works for your style. Grab a tiny bit more. Wrap that around. But normally when it comes to the styling technique, I really don't have like a large base because of the way that I wrap it around. Okay guys, so I'm about to show you the length of the ponytail. This is the finished product. So you see the braid is, the braid is here. The braid stops here, and the ponytail continues. Woo! It's so beautiful. It's not overly thick. It's just right. So yeah, this tutorial is now done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you're able to easily accomplish this style. Like I said, you guys can make your own clip-ins simply by buying some curly hair or some straight hair, because you can do this technique with any texture of hair. I just chose to use my beautiful curly hair because of my hair texture. But yeah, definitely try it out. And if you guys would like to send me photos of your styles, send them to @ChanningLilly. I would absolutely love to see them. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.